2020 GMC Sierra 5.3 liter V8. What we got done on it for you guys today. Still got the factory converters, less than 200 miles on it. Right there. Then it wires into a single. And they finally took the third catalytic converter out, so we can true dual them with no problems. All the way back, 2.5, then we did a muffler delete with 3-inch pipe right there. And they took the resonator out, but they put these flaps, they resonate the sound too. So you have to put new tailpipes on them when you want more noise. See those little resonated things, whatever you want to call them, out the back. There's a 3-inch pipe that we put in instead of the muffler. And there's the muffler right there. You always want to cut that flap out because it vibrates and you can't hear it. There it is, GMC Sierra SLT. Go ahead. What you guys hear on the inside?